What's up, sis? We're looking kind of crazy right now, but don't worry. We've got some nice cute inches. So this unit that I made is a closure unit. 4 bundles of 28 inch. Come on now. She got stuck. 4 bundles of 28 inch bundles. I think this is like a I can't remember the name of the texture. I can't remember the name of the texture. She's still a little wet, but it's 4 bundles. I think I actually used all 4 bundles, and then we have the closure. The lace on the closure looks actually pretty good, and I did bleach these knots. So I put some effort into sis. I just want to show you how I do apply my closure units. I already got my hair braided to the back, and then in this wig I did sew an adjustable strap. You just want to slide her on and you're done. No, just like, and I'm going to adjust her. This hair, I gotta say, it probably don't look like it now that it's wet, but when it dries, sis is so full, like full. Okay, I need some lashes on. I look crazy. Give me a second. And she's back, and she looks like a different person. Okay, anywho, what I like to do to lock my curls in together is get like one of these kind of brushes. And just brush her through. Really quick, easy wig install. With the closure wigs, they fit, I feel like, more snug. Like when I make them myself, they fit better as opposed to when I'm doing frontal wigs. Does that make sense? I guess it's because of the cap. I honestly don't know. But yeah, gliding right through. Just want to do that. And I do like to put a little bit of leave-in conditioner just to keep everything locked and ready. Since this is this wig is so cute. I did such a great job. So since this wig is a closure wig, she fits basically like a glueless wig. Like, so I don't even need to, like, you know what I'm saying, like loose this down. And I'm trying to stop putting so much glue on my hairline because, I mean, if you follow my channel, you know I get down with wigs. And I just feel like even though it's not always on my hairline, I just feel like putting the glue in this area all the time is just not good. Anyways, so I'm trying to stop doing that. But I am going to do some baby hairs. So let's go get that. And this is where the bundles stop on me. Super duper long. We love that. So when I do have closure units, I don't even try to finesse this to make her look like a frontal, like do too much in the front. I like just a clean straight part, so that's what we did. And yeah, this is like a super easy install. This is how I do my wigs all the time, especially like literally almost all my wigs. I just finesse this, and I change my hair so much, so it's like, yeah, love this hair so freaking much. If you didn't want to pick up this wig, don't forget I did get 4 28 inch bundles and 1 20-inch closure. Everything on everything on this wig, I mean on this unit, I don't know why I said wig, I made the wig. Everything on these bundles is going to be down in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.